In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. Let's start from your Outlook homepage. At the bottom or along the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar with icons for mail, calendar, and other apps. Go ahead and click on the calendar icon. This switches you from your inbox view to your calendar view, where you can see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month. If you don't see the icon right away, look for a small calendar symbol, or expand the sidebar to reveal more options. Once you're in the calendar view, you're ready to create your Teams meeting. At the top of the screen, you should see a button labeled New Event. Click on this. This opens a new event window, which is where you'll set up all the details for your meeting. In many setups, Outlook will automatically add an online meeting link, and if Microsoft Teams is your default, it will create a Teams meeting for you. If it doesn't, look for an option inside this window that says Add Online Meeting or Teams Meeting, and make sure it's turned on. Now it's time to type in the details of your meeting. Start with the event title at the top. Choose something clear and descriptive like Weekly Project Check-in or Client Presentation so that everyone immediately understands the purpose of the meeting. Next, add the people you want to invite in the Invite Attendees or People field. As you type